Control arms are a vital part of your car's suspension, connecting the wheel hubs to the frame. When a control arm or its bushings go bad, you'll definitely notice problems in how your vehicle drives. Ignoring a failing control arm can lead to unsafe handling or tire damage. Let's look at 9 symptoms of a bad control arm that you should not ignore. Symptom 1. Clunking noise from the front end. A common sign of a bad control arm is a clunking or knocking noise coming from the front suspension area. You'll typically hear it when going over bumps, potholes, or uneven road surfaces. For example, as you drive over a speed bump or pull into a driveway, you might hear a solid clunk from one side of the car. This noise comes from excessive play in the control arm's ball joint or bushings. Essentially, metal-to-metal contact happens when the arm shifts under load. If your front end is making these clunking noises, don't ignore it. It's a strong indicator that a control arm assembly is worn out and needs inspection. Symptom 2. Clunking or thudding. During acceleration and braking, not all control arm noises happen only on bumps. You might also hear a thud when you accelerate from a stop or when you hit the brakes. A bad control arm bushing can allow the arm to shift back and forth when torque is applied or removed. The result is a thunk or clonk sound as the slack is taken up. For instance, you press the gas and hear a clunk as the front end lifts, or you brake and hear a clunk as the nose dives. This is due to a loose or cracked bushing moving inside its housing. It might be one single clunk each time you start or stop. This symptom can often be confused with bad engine mounts or loose brake components, but if accompanied by other issues, it often points to control arm trouble. If acceleration or braking consistently produces a clunk, have those control arm bushings checked. Symptom 3. Vehicle pulling to one side. A bad control arm can upset your wheel alignment, causing the vehicle to pull or drift to one side. You might notice that you have to correct the steering to keep the car straight, or that the car wanders on the highway. Worn control arm bushings, or a bent control arm, will allow the alignment settings to change unpredictably, leading to unstable steering. The car may pull left or right, especially when accelerating or braking. This is not only annoying but also dangerous, as it affects your ability to control the car. Never ignore a persistent pull or wander. It's a sign something in the suspension or steering isn't right, often the control arm assembly. Symptom 4. Uneven or premature front tire wear. If you've noticed your front tires are wearing out unevenly, say the inner edges are bald, while the outer edges still have tread, a bad control arm could be the culprit. Worn control arm bushings or ball joints allow the wheel to move out of proper alignment as you drive, which scrubs the tires incorrectly. You might specifically see camber wear. While poor alignment or other bad suspension parts can also cause uneven tire wear, a loose control arm will make it nearly impossible to keep alignment in spec. If new tires or repeated alignments aren't fixing the wear issue, have the control arms inspected. Ignoring this symptom means you'll keep ruining tires. It's better to replace a faulty control arm than to keep buying new tires due to avoidable wear. Symptom 5. Excessive vibration in the steering wheel. A bad control arm can lead to noticeable vibrations or shimmy in the steering wheel. You might feel the steering wheel shake at certain speeds, especially if the control arm bushings are severely worn. When the bushings can't hold the arm steady, any small bump or wheel imbalance can translate directly into a vibration because there's more play. These vibrations might start around 50-60 mph or when going over repetitive bumps. Now, vibrations in the steering can also come from unbalanced wheels or bad tie rods, but if those have been checked, the control arms are a likely cause. Pay attention if the vibrating coincides with other symptoms. A car that used to ride smoothly but now has noticeable shaking in the steering wheel needs a suspension inspection. Restoring the control arm integrity can bring back that smooth ride. Symptom 6. Rough ride and poor handling. If your once smooth car now bangs over bumps or feels extra harsh on rough roads, bad control arms might be to blame. Control arm bushings are supposed to dampen and absorb some road shock. When they deteriorate, you lose that cushioning. The result is a much rougher ride. You'll feel bumps more sharply and may even hear the suspension jolting or bottoming out. Additionally, the car's handling can feel sloppy. It might not respond as crisply to steering inputs or may float a bit during corners because the control arms aren't keeping the wheels firmly planted. Essentially, the suspension isn't doing its job as well. If every bump makes your car shudder and your handling feels off, the control arm assemblies are prime suspects. Symptom 7. Squeaking or creaking noises. Not all noises are clunks. Bad control arm bushings can also announce themselves with squeaks or creaks. You might notice a creaking noise when going over speed bumps or when the front end moves up and down. Sometimes even turning the steering wheel while stopped can produce a creak if the control arm bushings or ball joint are dry and worn. This sound comes from the rubber bushing no longer properly cushioning the metal arm or from a dry ball joint. While a squeak could also come from other suspension parts, if it happens alongside any of the above symptoms, it strengthens the case for a bad control arm. Squeaking noises often get worse in cold or wet weather. Don't dismiss these sounds as a mere annoyance. They're a cry for maintenance in your suspension. Symptom 8. Loose or wandering steering. Feel in turns. When control arms are bad, you might experience a generally loose steering feel, especially during cornering. It can feel like you have to correct the steering more than usual in a turn, or that the car doesn't track predictably. Essentially, the front wheels may not be held firmly at the correct angles, so the car can exhibit excess body roll. You might find you're constantly adjusting the steering wheel in a long curve because the car wanders within the lane. This vagueness in steering is a symptom drivers sometimes describe as the car feeling unstable or not confidence-inspiring in corners. Since the control arm and bushings provide a pivot and anchor for the suspension, any slop there will translate to sloppiness in handling. If your steering has gotten floaty or imprecise, especially if it's alongside noises or tire wear, suspect those control arms. Symptom 9. Visible damage or wear to control arm components. Sometimes you can spot the problem directly. If a control arm is bent from impact, or if its bushings are visibly cracked or split, that's a clear symptom of trouble. Definitely something you shouldn't ignore. A bent control arm can occur after hitting a curb or major pothole. The alignment will be way off afterward. Bad bushings might show tears or have shifted out of their housing. Creases or cracks in the metal of the arm are also a bad sign. If you or a mechanic notice physical damage or deterioration on a control arm or its bushings ball joint, take that as a sign that a replacement is needed ASAP. Driving with a bad control arm is unsafe, so address it promptly.